Hi, I'm Elaina. You can find me on What Presents Plus, Painted to the Raven Season 2, available right now. On my channel, you see different makeup looks, reviews, indie brands, small brands, big brands, and a lot of drag, celebrity impersonations. Go check it out. In today's video, we're reviewing the new Halloween palette that came out, indie brand Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, and this is called Haunted. This is my friend's brand, so I'm a little biased, but also, I got this in PR, so it's gifted, so get that out of the way. So I'm going to be doing swatches, quick tutorial, and my final thoughts. So guys, interested, keep on watching. A like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So let's get right into this. So first of all, I want to thank Christina. She's the owner of Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. If you guys don't know, if it's your first time watching my channel, welcome. And if you've never heard of Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, it's a small indie brand and it's owned by one person individual and she does everything herself, pretty much one woman show. And we met on Instagram. She sent me PR a while ago and we kind of clicked and connected and I love her. I love her as a person, first of all, and I'm a little biased, so but you can see how it applies. So I'm not gonna lie to you. You can see actually it works. Her formula is great. So far, I haven't seen a bad palette from her. It seems like every time she releases something, it's always like bam, bam, bam. Multi-chromes formula is amazing. Mattes are great. The blacks is real black, which for me it's like you know how much I love my black. And she does black and white sometimes in the palette, which is like score. So if you like drag and like black in your palette, she's the girl for you too. So I'm not sure what the price is gonna be for this palette. It's gonna be released today, and it's by the time the video comes out, it's already been released. It gets released at 9 a.m. Pacific time, if I'm not mistaken, on Friday, which today is Friday. And I don't know the price, but it's usual, the usual, because there are multi-chromes, dual-chromes, all that business. So there you go. You probably can't really see the shift right now that I'm turning it around, but I'm gonna show you swatches in a second. I filmed swatches at the daytime before this, so they're like, you'll see it real bright, and you can see the shift on the swatches earlier. But yeah, so this is another Haunted Halloween palette, so it's, like I said at the end, it's similar to the Nightshade, but not quite the same. They have different tones. I might do a comparison if you guys want to see me use this and see kind of a comparison look. But yeah, I just like the brand, so I'm not gonna critique or anything, but they do have their similarities. But if you're a fan, if you like the brand, if you never got the other one, I would recommend this one because it's beautiful. The shift, the shimmers, like delicious. Like my favorites here, 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 like all of this business in this. I mean, I love, love, love all the duochromes and multichromes here. So there's that, and you also can use Elaina Glam discount code if you haven't purchased it yet earlier. You can purchase it now with Elaina Glam. It's gonna give you 10% off. So in next clip, you'll see me apply. I mean, you'll see the swatches. I never do it on camera. It's like watching paint dry. I can't. So I just did a quick voiceover because I didn't have time for this today. And we need to move. And it's easier for me to just do a voiceover. So sorry. So let's get into it. So we got the swatches. I mean, they're gorgeous. There's some duochromes, multichromes, and beautiful green shimmers, buttery soft. And the mattes, oh my god, the purples. I mean, I love purples, blues, and green's okay. I'm not a big fan of green, but I do love purple, so we're gonna create something later. So starting with the black, of course, love to start with black. And this is the very pigmented black, all the greens and the mustardy yellows. The black is very, very good. And I'm pretty much doing a smoky kind of eye look with no cut crease. I just wanted to make it simple but very effective, blending out all the blacks and adding the green from darker to lighter. I like the muted green like that, like a very mustardy yellow and green. blends into each other very well chosen palette of colors. And I'm using the green shimmer under the brow because I'm extra. And this is the Halloween palette, Halloween-ish look. That's why the green going into the inner corner under the brow. I love that green shimmer. I'm just applying the multi-chrome with my finger. It's like a blue, purple, green shift. It's beautiful. And I'm topping it with another one, the pink, blue kind of shift. And it works together. Using purple and black to blend this all together. And the bottom lash line, I'm going to do the same thing as the top. Black into the green and green to yellow mustard color. Very simple, but it's like very Halloweeny kind of thing. So this is the finished look. Sorry, it was voiceover, but the formula is amazing as usual. The duochromes are ridiculously beautiful. I had to pack that green all the way in my inner corner. And no, if you're watching me and you're wondering what's going on with my eyes, these are contacts. Don't worry, people. I still have keratopigmentation. I get those questions all the time, like what happened to your eyes? Contacts. I can still wear contacts. These look great with this eye color. I mean, makeup look. And my blue would look nice, but this is like more of a bright color. And if you guys are wondering, these are called Rihanna. This is a new PR I received, and not related to a palette, but this is pretty cool. This is a new brand I discovered, My IBB. So the video for this is gonna be coming up like next week, and this I'm gonna have like my affiliate code too. But yeah, I'm very impressed with this color. I've seen this before, the Rihanna ones, but I always wondered what they're gonna look like in the eyes. They look really Halloweeny kind of, like they don't look real, but they look very piercing, like the great for Halloween looks. So I mean, regardless. So this is the look. I put some moons here, moons and stars to make it more of a Halloweeny. I didn't want to look like, completely Halloween, but you know what I mean. I just wanted to do a inspired look with the green lipstick. If you guys are wondering, I get asked sometimes about my lips. I know that my videos don't get watched a lot. It's like the average is like 2-3 minutes. That's why I never filmed the rest of my face, because nobody got time for that. But I'm using a Maybelline matte ink, and this is a black Maybelline. It's called Thrill Seeker, and I set it with the palette. So pretty much I used the brush and I packed on eyeshadow on top. I used these two colors, So Haunted and Obsessed. And then I put a little bit of shimmer on top and Earthly. This is like my signature now, I think. Like I like to put the shimmer from palette because it's so much nicer than having lip gloss. And I can go like this and there's nothing comes off. I can kiss my cats and they have a little glitter on their fur instead of having lip gloss. So that's what you have. And yeah, I'm really like, this one is my favorite. Apparition. I can't really read it. I mean, I can read it, but it's so small. Apparition, because it has a green, it has blue, it has purple, it's a multi-chrome, it's delicious. And Jinxed. And this one, of course. I mean, they're all my favorite, but this one definitely is, like the blue and green. I love those. I put that. I kind of layered it, if you saw it, layered with the Jinxed. Kind of add a little more lightness because this one's real dark. So, I wanted it to be deep and vampy, but the green shimmer is like, damn, it's so good. So I packed it all over the place and the brow bone. So I do recommend it. Yes, I heard that people say it's similar to Nightshade, and this is a Nightshade. I honestly don't know why they got released so close together. You see, they're very similar, but the tones are different. I might do like a comparison video if you guys are interested, because somebody told me one of my friends told me comparison video, and it never occurred to me, but now looking at them, they are very different, but I can see similarities and why people would want to see in comparison. So there you go. But anyway, I'm not sure what the retail value is, because the launch is tomorrow. I haven't heard what the retail value is. But it's the usual what they go for in Gourmande Girls. You'll see tomorrow. You can use Elaina Glam discount code for extra 10% off if you're interested. So leave me a comment below what you think. You think it's too much? The other two similar? If you don't want to, if you got this one already, do not want to get this one. If I were asked which one I like more, I think I even like more this one, the new one. Although they're both beautiful, but I think I like shimmers in this one a little more. Although I don't know, I just love them all. But they are similar, so I feel like if people got this one, they might not get another. I don't know. But I love Christina, I love Gourmande Girls, so I'm very biased, so I'm like gonna zip it right now. So you guys leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And ring notification bell so you get notified of all new stuff I upload. So thank you all for watching, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!